Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun, easy Dollar Tree Christmas DIY. We're going to start with one of their Christmas ornament signs, and I want them to be like jewel toned, like classic Christmas colors. So for the first ornament, I'm going to cover it with a foil gift bag that I got at Dollar Tree. I just cut one part off. It's so pretty. It's got a great like diamond pattern. And I just use a Mod Podge to attach it to the ornament everywhere except for the cap, because the sign did come with a little metal cap there. So once I have it glued on, I just use a sanding sponge all the way around to give me a perfect cut, and then I can reattach this to the top. What I want to do is cover in a fairly large window in my home with giant Christmas ornaments for Christmas. So I thought it needed a little bit of a bow. So just using some sheer white ribbon, I just tie a simple bow for this. And then I'm also going to use that sheer white ribbon to make a hanger for my window. So this is our first giant ornament. These were so quick and easy to make, and all of them together, it just turned out so cute. So for the next one, I also picked up another Christmas ornament sign for this one, and I'm going to use the metallic gift bag for this one too, but this time in silver. So this has more of a square pattern. It's nice and textured, and I love crafting with these beautiful gift bags from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to sketch this one out on the back. I thought that might be a little bit easier than sanding it, and it was. And then just glue it down. I also used hot glue on this one instead of Mod Podge. Either way would work, really. Again, a little bow here at the top and another sheer ribbon to hang it. I'm going to tie this one in the window too. And we're going to be doing a total of 5 Christmas ornaments today. And I told you I wanted to do the classic colors. Now I'm using the blue metallic one on this one. And I am going to switch it up with some different size ornaments too. But this is my last one that's like the round Dollar Tree sign. Again, I just sketch it out on the back of the gift bag after cutting it out. So easy to do, and hot glue works just as well as Mod Podge, and it's a little bit faster. I love the ornament signs. They're my favorite because they have the little metal ornament top. I think that looks so cute. And I think hanging them with ribbon gives them a festive feel as well. Look how beautiful that bright blue color is. Now for the next one, I'm just using one of the plain wood ornament signs. A little bit different shape, and we're going to make our own texture on it with one of these self-adhesive tiles from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to sketch this out and cut this out. Now, the way these work, if you cut them, you can't really use like the self-adhesive part anymore because it kind of comes apart like that. So keep that in mind. I'm just going to go ahead and remove that layer and attach it with hot glue. Now, you do have to be a little careful. You don't want to melt it, the tile itself with the hot glue. And now that I have that on there and attached, I can make this metallic too. So I wanted to keep the classic metallic colors going. So I did a metallic gold acrylic. I think this one turned out so pretty. And I'm going to do another bow using a little yarn to hang this one as well. And we have one more Christmas ornament DIY in this. We're going to use this shape again, and we're going to use the self-adhesive tile again. I really like this texture. So this is another option if you're not able to find any of the metallic gift bags, but they seem to be available every year at my Dollar Tree. Again, I just cut it down to size, attach it. This one, the only color I haven't really done is like a bright green, right? So I'm just using a Christmas green color. And it was a little matte finish, so I used some glossy Mod Podge over the top of it just to give it a little bit of shine, since the rest of them were all kind of shiny metallics. Again, I make a hanger and a bow. I love how these turned out. It really gave a lot of Christmas charm to this window in my dining area. I think it turned out so cute, and they were so easy to put together.